is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop sharing messages between your iPhone and your iPad. So if you go to Messenger or Messages right here, you're going to see the same messages on your iPad, even though you don't have like a SIM card or anything plugged in. We can go to Settings right here, just go all the way up to our name, and then if we look under here we can see the devices connected to our Apple account. You can see I have my iPad on here. But what I want to do is go on over to iCloud, tap this, go to Save to iCloud, and just go to Message in iCloud right here and just turn this off. So if we turn it on, you can see it says Show iMessage Settings right here. And if you have two accounts, two devices linked to your account, like an iPhone, iPad, they're going to be synced up with the same messages. So you can just turn that off right there. Then also on the left here, if we go down to Apps, and scroll on down to Messages. If you have multiple devices on here, what you could do is just turn off iMessages, and then if you get a message on your device, it shouldn't show up in both devices. You can also just search for it, iMessage. So this is going to be located under Apps, and then Messages. So go ahead and just check that out and turn off those settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.